Vanakkam. Today I will tell you about one of the famous states of South India, which is Tamil Nadu. First, I will tell you about story of name Tamil Nadu. On 26th Jan 1950, it was named as Madras state by the government of India. Then on 14 Jan 1969, state was renamed by C.N. Annadurai, CM of state as Tamil Nadu. Motto of Tamil Nadu is Truth Alone Triumphs. Tamil Nadu has 37 districts, in which biggest district is Chennai and smallest is Kanyakumari. Thanjavur city is known as rice ball of Tamil Nadu. This is a short information of Tamil Nadu. Now I will tell you in detail about Tamil Nadu. Location. Tamil Nadu lies in the southmost part of Indian subcontinent and is bordered by Union Territory of Puducherry and the South India states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is bounded by the Eastern Ghats on the north, by the Nilgiri Mountains, the Meghamalai Hills and Kerala on the west, by the Bay of Bengal in the east, by the Gulf of Mannar and the Palk Strait on the southeast, and by the Indian Ocean on the south. History. The region was ruled by several regimes including the three crowned rulers Chera, Cholas and Pandyan states, which shaped the region, cuisine, culture and architecture. Some famous cities of Tamil Nadu. Chennai. It is capital of Tamil Nadu and biggest city in Tamil Nadu. Chennai, originally known as Madras Patnam, Chennai is also richest city in Tamil Nadu. Chennai also known by various nicknames like City of Flyovers, Capital of South India, IT Hub of Tamil Nadu, Turmeric City and also Textile City. Madurai. Madurai famous India's Jasmine city where the famous sweet scented Maligai has been grown in the temple city for centuries. Kanyakumari is the smallest city in Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari is the southmost point of peninsular India and meeting point of three oceans, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Besides center, it is famous for beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Nickname of Kanyakumari is Cap Comorin. Special features in Tamil Nadu. Dance. Bharatnatyam, also previously called Sadir Attam, is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. Song. Invocation to goddess Tamil. Animal. Nilgiri Tahar is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. It is found in Nilgiri Hills and the southern portion of western and eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Bird. Emerald dove is the state bird of Tamil Nadu. Emerald dove is widespread resident breeding pigeon native to tropical and subtropical parts of India. Flower. Glorissa lily is the state flower of Tamil Nadu. They are native in tropical and southern Africa to Asia. Fruit. Jackfruit and mango are most edible fruits in Tamil Nadu. Jackfruit origin is the region between the western Ghats of southern India, all of Sri Lanka and the rainforest of Malaysia. Magnifera indica, one of species of mango, have been cultivated in south. Tree. Palm tree is the most common tree found in everywhere in Tamil Nadu. It is the native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Famous temples in Tamil Nadu. Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai.
புதுக்கோட்டை புவனேஸ்வரி புவனேஸ்வரம் ஜெகதீஸ்வரி மன்னதியின் மல்லீஸ்வரி நங்கநல்லூர் ராஜேஸ்வரி பாகேஸ்வரி யோகேஸ்வரி லோகேஸ்வரி.
Brideshwar Temple in Thanjavur. Kanchi Kailashnath Temple in Kanchipuram.
नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय
हर हर शिवने अरुणाचलने अण्णामलये पोट्री शिव ओं नमः शिवाय शिव शिव हरने सोणाचलने अण्णामलये पोट्री हर ओं नमः शिवाय
Sri Ranganath Swami Temple in Sri Rangam.
ముకుందా ముకుందా కృష్ణ ముకుందా ముకుందా స్వరంలో తరంగా బృందావనంలో వరంగా ముకుందా ముకుందా కృష్ణ ముకుందా ముకుందా స్వరంలో తరంగా బృందావనంలో వరంగా
Sri Puram Golden Temple in Vellore.
सुमनस वन्दित सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममये मुनिगणमण्डित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मण्डुल भाषिणि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देवसुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि सदपालय माम्
Arulmigu Ranganath Swami Temple in Rameshwaram.
ஆடி வருகிறார் அர்த்தநாரி தீப ஆட்டநாயகன் அர்த்தநாரி ஆடி வருகிறார் அர்த்தநாரி தீப ஆட்டநாயகன் அர்த்தநாரி ஆடி வருகிறார் அர்த்தநாரி தீப ஆட்டநாயகன் அர்த்தநாரி
Popular sites to visit in Tamil Nadu. Mahabalipuram. Puducherry. Ooty. Coimbatore. Famous food in Tamil Nadu. Breakfast dishes: idli, dosa, vada, pongal, paniyaram, appam, idiyappam. Side dishes: sambar, chutney like coconut chutney, onion chutney, tomato chutney, garlic chutney, etc. Vada curry. Kapi Kuz. Lunch and dinner dishes. Variety of rice, sambar, rasam, puriyal, kuttu. Variety of kuzhambu, curry. Festival in Tamil Nadu. Pongal. In the last, I will tell you about economy of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is currently the second last economy in the country and sixth most populous state. It has the third highest GDP per capita and is the most urbanized and industrialized state. Nandari.